I gotta hurry up and do this. I gotta go to work. Freaking. I don't know what this is. But I got 2 packages. But I think this really the 3rd package. The Wii U came today. I don't know what this is. It's either a Wii U accessory or something better. It's something better. 3DS board. Finger hurt. 3DS, John. The original rail one I had. This is some cute packaging. For it to be this damaged as it is. It's buku damage. I got it for $100 and it's modded. Yeah, that's $100 cheaper than my modded Vita was. Which I definitely overpaid for the Vita one. Shouldn't have did that. I don't know where this has been. This is really small. Definitely should have got an XL. But shit, it is what it is. This is the original one I had. This probably won't. This is just one for now, to be honest. Because this is really small. I just wanted one. This is way smaller than my Vita. This is the size of my Vita screen, the entire time. But I ain't tripping. That bitch got a homebrew launcher. It fits right in with the Wii U and the Switch. All modded. Modded Wii U, modded Switch, modded 3DS. All within like 6 days of each other. I got them all. I don't know why. I'm trying to see. Oh, I gotta connect the Wi-Fi, don't I? Which, let me do that right quick. I really gotta go to settings, don't I? Bro, I don't know, man. Hello? I usually bring my Vita to work, but I might bring this to work today. I don't got no games, though.